One of my secrets revealed. So a lot of patients ask me, how can you get such great results with not so many hairs? Sometimes you'll see me doing 500 hairs in a crown, 1,500 hairs total, 2,000 hairs, and versus other offices might quote someone with 4,000 hairs, 5,000 grafts in one setting. And the key here is, first of all, we want to be as straightforward as possible with our patients. And so if we're going to try to place as many grafts as humanly possible, but the key here is as humanly possible. I've had some of my patients go to another location and they've claimed to have 10,000 grafts, even though in our lifetime, many of us can only have 6,000 grafts in our lifetime over multiple sessions, and they had this done in 4 hours, which is completely unbelievable. It looked like the patient's results had less than 200 viable grafts. So first of all, it's knowing what your surgeon's doing and how many grafts and making sure that number is believable. The second component of this is how we actually make the recipient sites. While other doctors are going to use either a needle or a little knife to make the recipient sites, we actually use something different. We use a modified punch, and this modified punch is going to remove scalp at the same time. Let's think of this like a mathematical analogy. What we have over here is we have a square surface on someone's head full of skin and some hairs. What we're trying to do is reduce the amount of skin we have and increase the amount of hairs. So by reducing the amount of skin, it makes it mathematically much easier to cover that surface with hair. So one of our secrets